coming to you from international headquarters, ScottieDTV, but I was out of Steve Holcomb Pro Auto Custom Interiors just as they were finishing up this 1968 Pontiac Firebird I think y'all are going to like. Let me get the camera turned around, we'll take a quick look at it. Steve?
Scotty?
How are you, brother?
I'm blessed. How you doing?
I'm outstanding myself. Beautiful weather here in November.
Can't beat it. One of the last days of November, and it's still 50-something degrees, sun shining.
Well, then we just missed all that cold, right?
Yeah.
This is a perfect day. And we got a cool car. What is that?
That is a 68 Firebird, and believe it or not, that's the one we did back, or you shot the video probably, I don't know, maybe 10 years ago, of how to build a console.
That's that console?
That's the console,
oh, no
how to
kidding.
build a console.
How cool is that?
Car belongs to Kevin Boland out of West Virginia, and what he did is, when we did the car originally, he had all kinds of stereo system stuff in the trunk, which made it pretty much non-functional. And he decided he wanted to upgrade the radio, change a bunch of stuff in the trunk. So we changed the whole trunk area, changed speakers, put a little bit smaller speaker in there so you can actually have a little bit more room, put a double-din touchscreen radio up in the front console, and done a little bit of changing around. He put power windows in it. So when you put power windows in, it left 4 holes in all the door panels. So I looked it around. He said, just figure out something that we can do to, where it don't look like, anything's been messed with. And that's how I was looking, and had some of them little Firebird emblems up on the front fenders. And I was like, those would be perfect. So I measured them. They fit perfectly in there. I ordered 4 brand new ones, put them on. And it looked like it was made that way.
Right on. And I like it because I think it's like the 79 Trans Am, the ones you have and the one I had, they put that bird up there in the door
10th
panel.
anniversary.
Yeah, I like that. No, it's cool. And so this interior is like 10 years old. It's holding up well.
Yeah. I mean, it's been in there for a long time, and it still looks brand new. So, I mean, if people want to know how they look, 10 years from now, there you go.
And that's the nice thing about not doing anything too over the top, because I don't think this interior is dated. I don't think you look in there and think, oh, this interior is 10 years old. I think it fits the build perfect today, just like it did back in the day.
A lot of people think we just did it. So
right.
it's like, man, he's like, it's that old? I was like, yeah. So, but yeah, I mean, we realize that it costs a lot of money to get an interior done, and we don't want that thing falling apart on you, 6 months after you have the car.
Right.
We want you to be able to enjoy the life you have the car, pretty much.
And I've witnessed this myself. Not this kind of work. This guy's got a bill coming when he gets scared. But if you had a stitch come loose or you had a little bit of an issue, all that's guaranteed for life down here at Holcomb.
Pretty much, yeah.
You bring it back and he'll tune it up for you. Maybe even fix some stuff you didn't see.
Yeah, I mean, there's things that happen. If you get in the car and you got a screwdriver and you rip the seat or something, obviously we'd have to buy new leather, whatever, and but it ain't gonna cost you a fortune to get it fixed.
Funny you bring that up, because yesterday I put a pair of scissors in my pocket the whole time, knowing don't do that, because you're gonna sit on something and you're gonna poke them. And guess what? I got in the car and went to move it. It didn't tear the leather. It scraped the leather on the panel. But it's funny you bring that up, because things like that happen. As careful as you want to be, you still have things happen. So LS3 up under the hood. Yeah,
that's a cool car. I mean, that thing's it's got the horsepower, as you see. I got on it just a little bit and it started to break loose. But yeah, it's a super nice car. LS3, straight shift, all the modern running gear and everything in it. You can't beat that.
Right on. No, I think you and the boys killed another one, Steve.
Scotty, as always, we appreciate it.
No, thank you, brother. So there you go, from Steve Holcomb Pro Auto Custom Interiors, a very cool 1968 Pontiac Firebird with a little bit of history. People always ask, how long do these interiors last? I think that's a good example. Hope you all have enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.